with a pencil. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at my face. Beauty babes, it's your favorite YouTuber, Brittany Nicole, back at it with another video. So today, I am going to be attempting, I should say, to slay my face with, drum roll please, are y'all ready? With Crayola products. But without further ado, before we get into this video, you guys, you already know the routine by now. And if you're new, like I said, my name is Brittany Nicole, and I do any and everything, but I do majority of beauty channels, but I will do any and everything if you want to see. I do pranks here and there and challenges or whatever with my kids or whatever. But go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I don't even know what I was about to say right there. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. If the button is still red, then that means you're not subscribed, baby. And I'm gonna need you to get on board. I'm trying to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys can help me a lot, that would be very appreciated. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds right now to go on, not only go ahead and like the video, but go ahead and subscribe right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that y'all are subscribed, we're gonna get straight into the video. So here I have a couple products with me. I have art supplies. I have, like I said, crayons. I have a little bit of markers or whatever. I have crayons that I've already put into some hot water to try to melt down, whatever, to try to do this beat for you guys. And I also have some colored pencil that I also have soaking in some hot water, whatever, to try to melt just a little bit. So further ado, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now, your girl don't even know what she about to do, whatever, but we're gonna try to do this beat for you guys. So first thing first, I guess since the colored pencils have been soaking for a little bit, about 2 minutes, I guess I am going to go ahead and start in and do my eyebrows. Now, y'all already know that your girl don't even know how to do her eyebrow the regular way, so I don't even know how I'm about to do with this Crayola, but we about to make it do what it do. So I am going to go ahead and use this just for the sake of brushing out my eyebrows or whatever, but I'm not gonna like actually use it, you know, to color my eyebrows, but you know, you get what I'm saying.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So let's go. Okay. So all I'm doing is just brushing them out so I can get my eyebrows done. But let me know down in the comments below if you actually try this, or if you like to try this. Let me know, so you know you know your video down below. Let me know what your channel is, and I will check your channel out. So I am going to go in with this black eyebrow pencil. Well, not black, green. Oh, that's green, guys. That's green. Look, black. But I'm going to go in with this black. So, here we go. Okay, let me know down in the comments below what you think. If you ever run out of eyeliner, girl, just pull that color pencil out, baby. Okay, now we're gonna try to attempt to do the other one. Looking like so far. Let me see if I can fill it in just a little bit more, cause it's beat more on the other eyebrows just because I used that one first, and was melted good. And as you can see now, I don't know if y'all can see that, it's really, really dull. Alright, so this is what I'm working with so far. So now let's see if we can try to, let's see. I think I'm gonna use a yellow. Probably the best one to go if we can try to clean these up just a little bit. So let's clean these babies up. So I'm gonna go in under. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yo, I'm gonna see if I can open up these brushes real quick and let me see if I can actually move this yellow before it actually dries, because you know we are dealing. And I didn't even really get the right makeup brushes, but you guys, I guess we just gonna have to make it do what it do because I'm using our art supplies. Let's see if we can blend this out. Yeah, this got to be a major fail. I hope this don't break me out though, guys, because as you can see right here on my chin, right here, I'm already breaking out. I don't know why. I think I do know why. I don't drink soda, and I had a soda yesterday, and your girl is now breaking out. So I'm gonna just try to blend this as much as I can. But for the most part, you guys, so this is what we dealing with. Not too bad, not too bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, so now we're gonna go in, and I think I'm going to do some eyeshadow. And you guys, if you're kind of wondering, this is so off subject, but if you're kind of wondering why my hair is blue and pink, I don't know if you can see the pink, but there it is, blue and pink. This is a hairstyle that I did earlier. I can link it down in the description below. It was a cotton candy top knot bun. So I guess it goes along with what I'm doing right now because I'm just gonna look like a big rainbow. So now I'm going to go in and do some eyeshadow. I guess I'm going to use these markers. What color I think I should use? That's gonna pop out. Let's see, since we're feeling colorful today, let's go in with this pink right here. So I'm gonna go in with this pink marker. Y'all, I hope that this does not dye my eyes or stain my eyes because, honey, I can't be walking around looking like no clown, if you know what I mean. Alright, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. So what do y'all think down in the comments below? Let me know what your girl is looking like. Okay, so now I used my black already, so I'm not even really sure if it's even going to be a go. I might have to actually use a black crayon and see if we can do some eyeliner. Maybe I ought to go in and go ahead and prime my face, and then I'll just come back. Wow, this is sitting. So now I'm going in with this crayon. Y'all see that? It's not even going on. What is going on? Let's see if we can get one of these. Let's try orange. Alright, you guys. So, apparently I'm going to come back in like 5 minutes and I'm going to get some more hot water to see if I can melt these down just a little more and we will be back.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, you guys, so I am back. So now, like I said, I am going to attempt to try to do this eyeliner. So I'm going to take my black and I am going to this is what we're looking like so far. It's not going too well, you guys. Not going too well. So, okay. Now I am going to attempt to go ahead and start doing my primer. Just like this. I'm trying to rush it really fast just because, I mean, it's not makeup. I'm gonna see if I can get it to highlight this part. Okay. I'm trying to move really fast. I have a brown crayon. Not really sure how well it's gonna go, but I'm gonna try to. Yep, it's not even working. Okay, so I was going to attempt to use a crayon for my foundation, but I guess we're just gonna have to use a marker. Oh Lord, please be with me. Please don't break me out, Lord. Please don't let this break me out. So I have 2 different browns. Not really sure which one is going to be a go, so I'm just going to pop both of these tops off like this, and I'm just oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at my face. Y'all, it's not doing nothing. I added some water on it too just to see if I can get it to mix.
Oh my god.
Okay. We blended. Just a little. I look like my 2-year-old got a hold of me while I was sleeping. Okay, so that's the best that I can do. Can't really tell the difference, but whatever, it is what it is. So, okay, you guys, so we have foundation on. I'm trying to do what I can work with. So now, I guess we're gonna put on some lipstick. So I'm just. Alright, you guys. So here is the final product, you guys. Let me know down in the comments how your girl did. And let me know, just for, you know, with the crayons and stuff, whatever, how you think it turned out or whatever. I mean, I had to work. I mean, I probably could have gotten more, but I was, like I said, I was trying to use just the Crayola. I probably could have. Next time, if you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, next time I would probably go in and do like the paints, the pastels, and all that, and just have a whole art supply as one and see if I can slay my face. So if you like this video, you guys go ahead and like right now and let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to follow my social media, and until next time, you guys, remember, you're a boss. Bye.